Hi guys, it's Teresa from the Putnam County Library. Today I want to talk to you about a book titled The Sound of Glass. It's by Karen White, and Karen is a best-selling author of 18 novels. This book is about a Southern family's buried history. The family has secrets, hardships, second chances, courage, healing, and ultimately love. Although this book is not classified as a mystery, it does have mysterious undertones. You get so lost in this book, you'll want to keep the pages turning. So please come check it out. It's available at the Putnam County Library.